This could be our best custom build yet. I'm gonna go over why this custom F-450 right here is at our top of the list for custom builds so far. First off, let's take a look at this red. So this is Ford's Rapid Red. We went ahead and paint matched this entire vehicle in between the Rapid Red color and the black. We kind of offsetted everything with black, so you can see headlights here. The assembly is black. The inside of it's gonna be black. That grill is gonna be black. You come around to the front emblem, got black tow hooks. Your emblem is gonna be offsetted with a red and black. This massive Super Duty is gonna stay in that ruby red just because that's what Ford did. But then this bumper and really everything, I'll kind of go around the vehicle and show you guys all we did to it paint match wise really fast. When you come to the side, these emblems are now gonna be offset in that red and black. You've got your 6.7 power stroke right down here. That is going to be in a mix of red and black. That's really cool. I actually don't think that we've done that before. Your mirrors here, the cap is gonna be fully black. The tinted blinker light here on your mirror. And then if you take a step back, you can actually see that unlike other Fords, you're actually gonna have a mix matching color from black to red. The reason for that being is that we went ahead and put a roof wrap on here. It's our signature thing we love to do with really cool paint match jobs, right? If the vehicle's not black, we love to offset it with a black roof wrap. So say you got white, if you want a roof wrap on there, we can do that for you guys. And then you've got your bumper step. You've got your marker lights, those are tinted. You've got your tailgate step, marker lights right here. Coming around to the back, I think that these trucks look so mean from the back, right? Because you've got the mix match of the red and the black on the tailgate. You come to the outside of the tailgate and you can see actually this entire headlight assembly is red besides the little part that needs to shine through. That is all smoked taillights, just so that that red is the only thing that shines through, and it only shines through right behind you, because why would people way out here need to see your braking? We gotta have it to where people right here are seeing your braking. I think that's the coolest. I think it looks really, really good. Now to the front of the vehicle, I just really wanna show you guys what's a good term? Green beans, meat, potatoes of the vehicle, okay? Come on. All right, I'll never try to make my own slang term again for the wheel and tire package, all right? But that is what makes this vehicle stand out so much more. Is the JTX Forged Avalons. These are a 26 by 8.25 wrapped in a 37 1350 26 AMP terrain attack. If you look into this lift kit here, we've got a wicked 4-inch suspension kit that's gonna be powder coated in that Rapid Red, and you'll see that we didn't just powder coat the coil spring here, but we also did the steering stabilizer down to the bottom, and then yeah, we powder coated quite a bit of it, and that has Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks. Okay, now to the interior of a 2024 Ford Platinum F-450. Let's go. All right, so if you guys have seen our videos before, we've done a few Platinum F-450s. This is my personal favorite trim level on the F-450s just because it is a perfect mix between luxury and a working man's truck, right? You've got insanely nice perforated leather with a gray, and it kind of has that off tone of a really light brown. That's a really good look for me. It's also got brown on the trim on the side of the door panel, going alongside some wood and some suede. Then obviously you've got your massive media display right here, right? So your infotainment system, I think is about, I think I actually got cooked in the comments before this, but I think it's 12 or 16 inches. But, but a really good infotainment system. And then your startup screen, we'll play that here in a second for you guys, is really cool. You've got the Ford badge slamming into the ground. And then, yeah, this is a beautiful truck, man. It's an F-450. I have an immense amount of space. On to the back. Okay, so for the rear, you've got built-in undercarriage storage just for any equipment, sports equipment, tools that you need to bring to the job site, anything like that. Then you've got this massive amount of space back here. So, I've said I'm 6'1" before. It's in boots, guys. I'm sorry, okay? I get insecure. So in the back, I am in these boots 6'1", and I fit perfectly. And I think anybody like, you're 6'7", you're fitting back here perfectly. Maybe not, I've never lived that life. I don't know the struggle for you guys, so don't get on my butt. But pretty close. And then yeah, let's go back and we'll mention a few things with the tailgate on this truck. It goes down keyless, right? No. Fords and Toyotas are cool because you can both put them down keyless and bring them back up keyless. Really cool feature that they installed. That is the beautiful aspect of the tailgate. Really cool feature, actually. I haven't even shown this yet. So F-450s have a camera for when the tailgate is down. That is really cool. When the tailgate's down, a lot of trucks, especially Chevys, I know have had this problem backing them in. I'll accidentally leave the tailgate down. You won't be able to, like, say you need parking into a tight spot and you need that camera. It goes away when you put the tailgate down. On this, it actually still works when you have that tailgate down, and you can see perfectly where you're going. You also have tailgate sensors. Really cool feature, because a lot of times when you're backing up with these things, you're hauling something, right? This is a massive truck. That's what it's meant for, is hauling and towing. You'll need, if you need one, I know a lot of people are gonna say they don't need one, but listen, I find it useful. These sensors, having that tailgate down with that camera, really, really not talked about feature that is insanely helpful. Other than those sensors, which is a really cool factor, we've got a ruler going across this entire tailgate for any measurements you gotta take. And then for easy access, or easier access into this lifted F-450, you've got a tailgate step. Pretty easy to take down, and you just hop right on in. And then right on out. All right, reasons as to why this is one of our best and fastest selling vehicles. Literally the last time we had one of these in, it was gone within like 5 days of it being on the lot, which was insane. Well, my reasoning is, first of all, just look at it. I mean, you've got a powder coated lift kit, 26-inch wheels, paint to match, a tuxedo roof wrap. There is so much done to this truck. Nearly somewhere around $30,000 done to this truck. You don't see another one of these driving down the highway too often, if at all. This vehicle will be on our lot for not too much longer, but it is quite a sight to look at. If you want anything like it, anything built like it, or want to see another one like this, we can build one for you, and we can build one better than this. Give us a call at 301-694-4642 if you want to see that happen. If you just have any questions for me, my entire aftermarket team, or any of the sales team here at Krietz. If you just want to take a tour, stop by and see it, say hi to everybody. We don't care. But give us a call or visit KrietzCustoms.com. We'll see you guys. Subscribe to Krietz Customs to win a free set of wheels and tires. If we hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, we'll be giving away a set just like this, a 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. If you want those, go ahead and subscribe to Krietz Customs, and we will see you when we give you those wheels away.